Hey everyone, I'm Lisa from 008 Hydraulic Shop, and I'm going to show you guys how to quote a cylinder for a customer. So first thing you want to do is measure the rod with some calipers, right? So this is the rod right here, the chrome that comes out of the cylinder, not this. This would be your barrel, okay? You want to measure the rod. So this rod is 1.5 inches. So on your sheet here that you have, you're going to put 1.5, and that's going to be for 1.5 inches, and you'll multiply it by 125, and that's going to give you the rebuild price. The seals are just an estimate. We don't actually know how much the seals till we get in there, but the ballpark for seals is going to be between $80 and $120. Then if the barrel, which would be this part of the cylinder, is longer than 5 feet, we would take a measurement here from the end of the barrel, each end, and it's $25 per foot over 5 feet. And then you would put your math here. Okay, so that's gonna be the bulk of the cylinders. Hopefully that will come into your stores. It's just gonna be a simple rebuild, no problem there. If you have a broken fitting, it's going to be the cost of the fitting plus $105 for us to cut the old fitting off and weld a new one on. If the rod is broken, rod repairs start at $250 plus the material and the labor to make the new rod. Once you have your form filled out, we will take the form and put it inside one of these sleeves, and then however you can secure this to the cylinder with a zip tie. You may need to attach more than one zip tie to the cylinder, like this. And it will leave your store and be taken to a Walker DC, and from there it will come down here to me in Wilmington, and we will make the final inspections on your cylinders and communicate directly with the customer to let them know if there's anything that is over the budget estimate that you calculated before the cylinder left the store. All right, so important to make sure that the customer understands that this is a budget estimate. This cylinder could come here to Wilmington and we could take it apart. There could be damage internally that you don't see at your store, or there could be something going on with the seals where we may have to source them someplace else or custom order them. And I will make sure to communicate that with the customer if it does go over your budget estimate. There is a 1-year warranty on seals only. So that is a defect in installation or materials as far as seals are concerned. If they're abusing their equipment or if something else damages internally through use, that would not be covered.